Shopping for a resin printer in 2026 means wading through 12K and 14K resolution. Claims that sound impressive but rarely tell the whole story. Here's what actually matters. First, MSLA printers use an LCD screen to mask UV light. They're affordable and capable, but DLP printers use true optical projection for smoother surfaces on jewelry and dental work. DLP costs 3 to 5 times more, but for hobbyists printing miniatures or prototypes, MSLA delivers 90% of the quality at a fraction of the price. Second, resolution numbers don't guarantee better prints. A well-calibrated 7K printer with good anti-aliasing beats a poorly tuned 12K machine every time. Z-axis precision and resin chemistry matter more than pixel density once you're above 5K. Third, the sweet spot for most users is the Elegoo Mars 4 Ultra at $299. 7K resolution, solid build quality, and the best community support in the category. If you need speed, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5S prints at 70 mm per hour with 12K resolution. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.